Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets. And today I wanted to do another budget with me, paycheck budget with me, and another cash envelope stuffing. And today we're working with my husband's pay again with $638 with 14, and we're working with my pay today with $645 with 57, and in total we made $1,283 with 71. And again, we're gonna go right here and use Miss Karla's May budget kit as usual, and we're gonna go to our paycheck, two here. And as you can see, I put in my actual of 1,283 with 71. I also already subtracted that 159 from our actual, and the 159 as per usual is gonna stay in the bank, and that's for the upcoming bills for this specific week. And so the total of that is by subtracting that, and also I put $50 extra in the bank, and that's gonna stay there for I think it's for me and my husband, I believe. Yes, it is. And he wanted to be in the bank this time, so we're gonna try it out and see how that goes, but I don't think it's gonna go well. So we're most likely next week is most likely gonna be cash again. But he wanted to try it and I didn't want to say no to him, so we're gonna try that. And then our total cash stuffing that we're doing today is 1,000 with 74. And I usually leave the cents in the bank. Like, I have a savings account, and every cent that we get paid from, I just leave it in the bank, so I don't really count the cents a lot. And we're gonna go with our little tracker here, our expenses paycheck and our sinking funds paycheck once again. So I'm gonna go through this looking at this so that I won't get confused. And well, we're gonna start. Oh, I already laid out the money. I already counted it all. Like I said before, I'm still not good at counting, so I'm practicing like not in camera. So I'm just gonna have it out here. And the total, I did count it. The total is 1,000 with 74. Okay, so we're gonna start with our purple binder, and our purple binder is actually our bills binder. I am still putting money into our mortgage, and this mortgage payment is for February's payment on the 1st. So we're gonna put 263 in there again. So we're gonna put 200. And in my last video, I did get confused in this part or in the next part, but I did get confused, and I ended up fixing it at the end when I realized what I was missing. So 263 are gonna be here. So we're getting 250, 60, 1, 2, and 3. Let's count that before I mess up again. 1, 2, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. 263. And we already have, I think I already opened it, but we already do have 263 in here. So we're just gonna fix this money. But yes, so I'm trying to save for the next bills on the 1st that come the 1st, and our bigger bills, and the mortgage is one of them. So that's why I have the money already prepared. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 400, 500, 510, 20, 520, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we have 526 already in here. Wait, did I count that wrong? 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, 526 here. Then we're going back to our utilities, and our utilities are also, it's gonna get 63, so we're getting 50, 10, and $3. So that's what we're getting here, and that's gonna be for our utilities for February's utilities. And then we'll just put this money together again, and we have 100, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 126 in here. Now we're gonna close that up. These are not gonna get anything right now. For now, I'm still gonna keep the envelope because I am gonna put some later on, but for now I'm not putting anything. And then the loan is just personal loan, and I need to put 255 in there, so we're gonna put 2 100s, a 50, and a 5. Imagine if we didn't have this loan, how much extra money we would be having. So I'm not sure where it stopped exactly or where I paused, but we're adding 255 to the loan again. And I just divided the big loan into 4 paychecks, so I divided by 4, and it's giving me 255, and that's what I'm adding here, 255. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 455, 5, and 10. So 510 is in here, and we're just gonna close that up. Now if you guys do hear a knock or anything, it's just my son looking for me as always. Okay, so we are going to do, well, we're going to do our pink binder now, and our pink binder is our spending binder. And in this week, groceries is not getting anything because last week groceries already got 200, and I still have money in here for this upcoming week. I already did my grocery list to what I actually need, and this is what I only get what I need. I don't go buy snacks a lot anymore. I don't go buying a lot of things anymore. I just buy enough for what I need here in the grocery list. I don't go more than that just because we are trying to lose weight, so I'll just buy what I need, and that's why groceries isn't getting anything this week. Now gas is getting 60 this week, so we're getting a 50 and a 10. Gas is getting 60 once again. So we have 50, 110, 15, and 20. So we have 120 in gas. Eating out isn't getting anything, and it still has a few dollars in here. I'm planning on just leaving it here for now. Spending isn't getting anything again. Family time isn't getting anything. So as beauty, now home is very important. I already used some from home, but I'm leaving that there. I may take out the cents later, but for now I'm leaving the cents in here for now. And then home is actually gonna get 30, so it's getting a 20 and a 10, so it has 31 in home for now. And then pets is actually getting another 50. I might have to use this upcoming week because my dogs need more food, so I'm gonna use that this upcoming week. Now pets already has 100. Miscellaneous is actually getting 15, is getting a 10 and a 5. Miscellaneous, I haven't used a lot. Like I said, I'm not trying to spend a lot of money right now, so miscellaneous still has its 10, and I'm gonna keep its 10 for now. So miscellaneous has 25 right now, and we're gonna leave it like that until the end of the month. If at the end of the month I still have it, then I'll put it somewhere else. Then school, my daughter, it is gonna have school's picture soon, so we're gonna put another 25 in here. I'm not sure how much school pictures are exactly right now, but I am putting a 20, and I'm putting some change in here in case it's like $27 or like $23. I don't know how much it is, so I'm gonna put that amount right now. 1 2 3 4 5. So school has 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has 50 right now in school. Her school picture should be coming up this Friday on the 21st. And we are done with our pink binder. This is our usually spending binder. So that's what it is. And then now we're gonna go to our sinking funds. Let me turn my little notebook here. So we're gonna do sinking funds next. And Haiti will be getting 20. So Haiti has 40 right now. And like I said before, I am giving her more than her brother because her brother is younger, and I want her to have more than what she needs. And then Bernie is actually getting 10. So Bernie's getting 10. So Bernie has 20 for now. Medical is actually gonna get 20. So medical has 40. Then car maintenance is actually gonna have another 20. So it will have 40. And these are the main ones that are getting the most because they're very important right now, and I want to accumulate that first before I start with the other ones, with my other single ones. And then birthday has 20. It's gonna get another 20, and that equals 40 for birthdays for now. I may end up using this next month because it's my nephew's birthday. And then house is actually gonna get 23. No, 2 and 3, 23. So house has 20, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. House has 45 for now. Like I said before, these sinking funds for Christmas, my braces, lawyer, and taxes isn't getting anything for now. What I really want to mostly prioritize is the big ones like the medical, car maintenance, and birthdays, and the house, because those are really needed more right now than the rest of them. Emergency fund is definitely gonna get money. I'm trying to give more to emergency fund so that I could have the $1,000 already, and then I could start putting extra money into the debt. So I'm adding 100, so we have 120 and 40, 140 in emergency fund right now. And clothing and Amazon, that snowball isn't getting anything. Like I said, I'm really trying to prioritize and putting money into the emergency fund and having the $1,000 emergency funds as soon as possible. And that way, whatever I have left in the next months, then I'll start going to something else. I have 100 here, and that goes in my wallet because I have to pay the babysitter, and I have not paid her, and I feel bad because I'm supposed to pay her already. So I'll put that in my wallet. And I have a little Jack and Sally Nightmare Before Christmas wallet. And that ends our cash envelope stuffing with our little, what is it? Our little paychecks budgeting as well for now. And So we ended up putting 183. We ended up putting 183 into our sinking fund, so that is good. In the beginning of the month, I thought I wasn't going to be able to put anything this month, but I'm pretty glad that we did. And that's what I put right here in this green dot here. I put 183 for sinking funds and 174 for our cash stuffing in total. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like and subscribe to this channel. I'm sorry it was a bit off if it was, but I'll keep doing better next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later in my next one. Bye.